In this video, I want to talk about how you can get YouTube TV on your Roku device. Now keep in mind, if you have a really old model, this might not work, but if you have a kind of recent new one or even one of the newest one, this should work for sure. What you want to do is you want to install YouTube TV on Roku. So the first thing you can do is you can use your Roku remote, click on the home button, scroll down and select streaming channels, go in there and search for YouTube TV. Once you've done that, add channel, OK, and now it should be on your home screen. If you don't want to use this one, you can go to your computer or phone, go to my.roku.com, sign in, go to the channel store, find YouTube TV and click add channel, and then after you restart your device, it should be added to the home screen. Now that's about it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.